In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the toolbar in Google Docs to justify text. Now, whether you're polishing up a report for work or perfecting an essay for school, learning how to justify text can enhance the readability and professionalism of your documents. Let's dive in and explore how easy it is to achieve this polished look. To start, you need to open up your Google Docs file. Make sure you have the document you want to work on ready, so we can move seamlessly into the process. Once you're in your document, you'll want to focus on the specific text that requires justifying. Simply use your cursor to highlight this text. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the portion of text you wish to adjust. Alternatively, if you need to select an entire paragraph, triple-click on the paragraph and it will be highlighted instantly. With your desired text highlighted, it's time to navigate to the toolbar, which is usually located at the top of your screen. Look closely at the array of icons available, and you're searching for one that stands out with a visual resemblance to four aligned lines. This is your Justify button. Once located, give it a click and watch as the magic unfolds. Your text will automatically adjust to be evenly aligned, creating a neat and professional look by aligning the text equally on both the left and right margins. And here's a handy shortcut to streamline this process even further, especially if justifying text is something you're going to do regularly. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl Shift J. For those of you on a Mac, use the Command Shift J keys. This shortcut is a fantastic time saver that performs exactly the same function, giving your text that clean, justified alignment with just a few keystrokes. With these steps, you're well equipped to give any Google Docs document a more structured and visually appealing format by using justified text. Justifying text not only enhances the aesthetic, but also supports a more uniform reading flow, which can be particularly helpful in formal documents. So, whether you're preparing a business proposal, crafting a newsletter, or working on any other piece of writing, the skill of justifying text will undoubtedly come in handy. As you continue to use this feature, the process will become second nature, allowing you to maintain high standards in your documents effortlessly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips help make your next document look even better.